Hello, my name is Eric, your technical representative here.